Aloe vera, 5 healthiest ways to consume it. How to reap the most aloe benefits. Are you enthusiastic about exploring the potential of natural remedies? One such remarkable medicinal plant boasting a plethora of health advantages is aloe vera. Referred to as the plant of immortality, this succulent plant has been revered for centuries due to its healing properties and nutritional richness. Below, discover 5 of the healthiest methods to harness the benefits of aloe vera. 1. Fresh aloe vera juice. One of the most effective methods to harness the advantages of aloe vera is by extracting its gel and incorporating it into a revitalizing juice. Begin by slicing open a mature aloe vera leaf, extracting the gel, and blending it with water or your preferred fruit juice for an extra burst of flavor. Aloe vera juice is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, rendering it a potent beverage for enhancing hydration, digestion, and immune function. 2. Aloe vera smoothies. Begin your day with a nutrient-rich aloe vera smoothie. Mix freshly extracted aloe vera gel cubes with leafy greens like spinach or kale, along with fruits such as pineapple or berries, and a healthy fat source like avocado or coconut milk. This vibrant blend offers a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, promoting overall health and vigor while delighting your palate. 3. Aloe vera salad dressing. As stated by Dr. Archana Batra, a dietitian and certified diabetes educator, enhance your salads with a homemade aloe vera dressing. Blend aloe vera gel with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and herbs such as basil or cilantro to create a flavorful and nutritious dressing. Aloe vera salad dressing not only elevates the flavor of your greens but also provides a boost of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, supporting heart health and overall wellness. 4. Chilled aloe cubes in dip. Cut and chill aloe vera gel cubes overnight before incorporating them into your chosen dip recipe. To reduce their slippery texture, rinse the gel cubes again before adding them to your other ingredients. When paired with mildly spicy peppers and seasonings, the cool, green taste of aloe vera gel produces a refreshing cooling sensation. 5. Aloe vera capsules or supplements. For individuals seeking a convenient alternative, aloe vera capsules or supplements can be found in health stores. Opt for premium products crafted from pure aloe vera extract to guarantee optimal potency and effectiveness. These supplements provide an easy method to integrate aloe vera into your everyday regimen, bolstering digestive health, skin revitalization, and immune function. 6. Aloe vera gel as a topical treatment. Although primarily recognized for its internal advantages, aloe vera gel can also serve as a topical solution for skin soothing and nourishment. By applying fresh aloe vera gel directly onto sunburns, minor cuts, or dry skin, one can experience immediate relief and aid in healing. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial characteristics play a pivotal role in diminishing redness, inflammation, and facilitating tissue repair, rendering it a versatile remedy for an array of skin ailments. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.